Assalamualaikum. My name is Sana Chaudhary and I'm applying for the brand manager position at Procter and Gamble. My father was an airline pilot for 40 years. I had an absolutely magical childhood where I got to visit a new country every 6 months. And while the faces were different, the food that I tasted was different, the architecture was different, everything was new and exciting. However, you know what was the same everywhere? Toothpaste. Uh, Kids never carry their toothbrush or toothpaste with them when they're packing for a trip. And I would just walk to the nearest shop from the hotel, and automatically my hand would reach the Oral B toothpaste and the Oral B toothbrush. And that is the power of a company like P&G, that it touches the lives of people across the world and makes it better in small but positive ways. This is precisely why I want to work for P&G as a brand manager, because in the future, the brand that I'm managing is going to make someone's mother, someone's child, someone's grandfather smile, and it will make their lives just a little bit better. The nature of marketing is changing in this technology driven world, and COVID has disrupted the way that we shop for and associate with certain brands. My children are too old now. I have a 10-year-old and an 8-year-old. But when they were babies, I remember the only diaper brand that I would choose was Pampers because I trusted the quality, and nothing else would do. I simply wanted the best for them. But how are mothers today in this world making the decision to buy diapers? Would they choose Pampers? Would they choose something else? And what drives them and what motivates them to make these decisions? Um, and this is what a brand manager really has to understand and relate with. My experience working as a community engagement specialist for governmental organizations and organizations like UNESCO has really taught me the valuable skill of stakeholder management, understanding the needs of different people, and then managing their expectations as well. And that's not too different from what a brand manager essentially does. Um, when we prepare for a marketing plan, we have to, in this case, also manage the consumer's expectation from the brand as well as the company. As a brand manager, one of the most important tasks would be to ensure that a brand remains recognizable, it remains up to date and relevant to consumers. And this is why we must plan ways to promote and change the public perception um, in a way that the branding is consistent across all different mediums, all different kinds of advertising and campaigns. So we must develop strategies and manage the campaigns across print, broadcast, and digital platforms to ensure that the products and services meet the consumers' expectations. This is something that I learned while working for a leading English daily as a journalist and as an assistant editor. The message that we had to convey through the newspaper had to be consistent and relevant and exciting to the consumers that were the recipients of that news. One of the most exciting aspects of working for a company like P&G is that their purpose, their values, and principles make up a unique culture where people come first, employees as well as the customers. This is a 181-year-old company, and how it has remained relevant in today's world is by focusing on things that matter. P&G has been at the forefront of implementing environmental policies and practices to deal with threats like climate change and environmental degradation. My academic background is in environmental science. I have studied the subject both in undergrad as well as a master's degree that I gained from the UK. I am a Commonwealth scholar and I have an MSc in environmental hazards from Durham University, UK. Leading brands to the path of future sustainability is an important contribution that I hope to make towards the company as I understand the challenges of making businesses accountable towards our planet. And last but not the least, as a brand manager, it will be essential to be able to work in a team. One of the principles of PNG that really stood out to me was that mutual interdependency is a way of life for the company. They work together with confidence and trust across different business units and functions and even geographies. Teamwork is where I personally excel at. Not only am I a part of the LUM Student Council, but also the STSP Council, and I have experience managing large and diverse teams in my previous consultancy projects as well. I hope to make a valuable contribution to PNG if I am given the chance. Thank you very much.